My favorite part about working for Armacell is the innovative and collaborative culture. It truly inspires me every day to know that I have a supportive team that has my back while we make a difference in the world. It's everything to me.
The culture is great around here. The team here at Armacell is like family. I've known these guys forever.
It's a big difference here. I really like it. You get a big family atmosphere, and a lot of this family I have back here, they've been here 25, 30 years. So there's a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge to be learned. And I know that every day I'm learning something different, and I'm learning how to do this job the right way.
We are highly collaborative from all employee levels. We can come together, brain dump our ideas and strategies, and work together to take action.
You truly get to know everyone in a facility this size very quickly, and we all work together every single day, and it's amazing to get to know people inside and outside of work and have that family-friendly environment that not everyone may get at their workplace.
The organization does a good job with our supplies and our parts department, and the maintenance department has done good to organize everything and make it easy for new people coming in to learn and pick up things.
Armacell does approach their improvements around here a lot. We're always improving things in this place, making it comfortable for the operators to do their job, making their job easy for them. So Armacell is always behind us 100%.
It's really a team based in everything we do, and along with that, we're data driven. We're truly seeking to get to root cause when we're solving problems and do that with excellence. So at the end of the day, we can feel good about what we're putting out there.
Although I've only been here for 6 months, there has been so many great days already. One of the best would be last fall, where Armacell Conover accumulated 4,000 pounds of food towards the local pantry. And that just goes to show the tremendous efforts that we can achieve when we work together as one Armacell.